What up guys, JPOPS in the house coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have two Disney Parks exclusive pops. So I've already opened it up, I'm going to show you me opening it up and we'll get right into it. So we have the 2-pack Pele and Barker Parrot from Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room, and I got this offline. ShopDisney.com actually released it as well, and it even came with like authentic Disney paper, which I think is like so cool. Didn't know they had this at the Disney store, but super cool. Let's get into the pop here. We have the 2-pack Pele Barker Parrot. This was exclusive to Walt Disney World and Disneyland. If you guys have ever been there to the Magic Kingdom, they have an attraction show where tikis and parrots come to life in like a musical attraction, which is really cool. It's called the Enchanted Tiki Room. So here's the front of the box, regular 2-pack for the pops. You got the Walt Disney Disney Parks exclusive sticker, which is really cool there. And then you got Pele on the side, Barker Parrot, and then the artwork on the back of the box, the Enchanted Tiki Room. And you got like a little rust orange color there with some designs up top, like Aztec designs, tiki designs up top, and some flowers and all that good stuff. Tropical vibe. So let me open this up. In the back of the box you have some paper here too, which is really cool. Did you just sneeze? Sam has allergies. She just sneezed. So we have, let's start with Pele here. Pele is the tiki in the show. Let me get out the stand too. So we got Pele here. Let me put her on her little stand. She is the goddess of fire and volcanoes, which this is really cool. This is such a cool pop. It has like that perfect tiki looking design, and the texture on it is actually, it's not what a tiki would be made of. It is vinyl, but they did a really good job making it feel like an authentic tiki. But let me see if I can get a little closer here. So first thing I noticed too were the eyes. They don't normally have those round black pop eyes. They do have the round eyes, and it does protrude just a bit, but it protrudes actually like a lot. And then you have the yellow slits and everything, which is really cool. And then you actually have cool design on the mouth too, with the jagged teeth and everything. This here on the side, it actually looks like a handle, kind of like the Cuphead pops. But this whole tiki, it translates really well into a pop form. Awesome colors, the brown, the rust orange, and everything. And she's even got the flame coming out of the top of the head, which is such a cool pop. Heads turn, yeah, heads turn. So super cool. Then we have Barker Parrot here. Let me get his stand. He's the parrot that he welcomes you into the tiki room. He actually even has like a little protector there for his nose against the plastic. But Barker Parrot is the parrot who welcomes you into the tiki room, lets you know about the show and all that good stuff. Why is this not coming out? Bear with me here. Oh, this is serious. Am I doing this wrong?
One eternity later.
Wow, this was really hard to get off. Oh my goodness, I think it even took some plastic. It must have been hot out there or something. It literally melted onto his beak. That was crazy. Anyway, here's Barker Parrot. I think he looks really awesome. He has his little hat on and everything. They detailed the back really well. They gave him like that feather look because he is a parrot. But he does have like that cool design back here and everything. The colors on him are awesome. He's even got the green on the underside of his tail and everything. He also comes with a base because his feet will be too skinny to stand on its own. But I like his little bow tie and everything. It would have been awesome if he was flopped because he is a parrot. But either way, he does have a really cool texture to him. Almost kind of like the tiki. Well, a little different, a little more plasticky feel. But super cool design, super cool, detailed and everything. Awesome pops. That's the unboxing for today, guys. Pele and Barker Parrot. They are, I think, back ordered on ShopDisney.com. But so you probably will be able to get them if you guys missed out on it the first time around. But cool pops. That does it for today's video, guys. I am signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.